Wagwan my YouTube family, welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make Jamaican fried chicken gravy. First and foremost, big up Father God over here. Now we're going to jump into the intro and then I'm going to show you all the ingredients we need to make our fried chicken gravy.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.
So these are all the ingredients I'm using for my fried chicken gravy. Here I have some tomatoes. Here I have a red sweet pepper. I have an orange sweet pepper. And I have a yellow sweet pepper and a green sweet pepper. Here I have a bung of thyme. I have one small carrot. And my people, you don't have to use all this sweet pepper I'm using, okay? You could just use one type of sweet pepper. Okay. Here I have all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to use some grace browning for coloring. I'm going to use some red wine vinegar. Here I'm going to use some olive oil, a little bit of black pepper. Here I have 5 cubes of garlic. Here I have 1 cup of tomato ketchup. Here I have some pimento berries. I have like 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I have a piece of ginger and an onion. I have to wash the peppers them. Just like this. Okay, my people, now I'm going to cut the peppers them first. And I'm not using all of this pepper, okay? I'm just using a piece of all of them. Just a little piece of all of them. Piece of this one. Piece of red. And a piece of yellow. Okay? Alright, now I'm going to cut the peppers. Just like that. Just want to dice them up small. So this is it for the peppers. The carrot, I'm just gonna cut it up just like this. Cut up the scallions. I'm peeling the ginger. I don't need the skin from the ginger, so I could cut it deep. Just gonna dice it. The garlic, I just gonna mash the garlic, okay? Just like this. Alright, that's it for the garlic. For the onion, I'm just gonna use half of an onion, okay? So I'm not going to use this half. Alright, now I'm going to cut up the tomatoes. Cut off the stem. Just dice them like this. Oh, this tomato is very soft. Alright, just like this, my people. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now I'm going to add the onions. I'm going to add the garlic. The sweet peppers. Now I'm going to add my ginger. And when you're doing this, my people, you want to make sure your fire is on low heat, okay? Because you're making a gravy. So you don't want nothing to burn. You just want to sweat them. Now I'm going to add the pimentos. I'm going to add the thyme. Now I'm going to add the carrots. Now I'm going to add the tomatoes. Now I'm going to add the scallions. I'm gonna stir it up. Now I'm going to cover it and leave it for 5 minutes on low heat to continue sweat. Okay, my people, 5 minutes already gone. That's why I tell you, you don't need high heat. You just want to sweat all these seasoning, okay? All right. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Gonna give it a stir. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm going to add a cup of ketchup. And the brown sugar is to cut the tanginess of the ketchup, okay? 2 cups of hot boiling water. And the reason why I use the hot water, I don't want to cut the cooking temperature, okay? So 2 cups of that. I'm gonna stir. Smells so good already. 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. Just like that. The gravy look good already. Now I'm add half teaspoon of grace browning. You don't want to use too much browning because it's gonna make your gravy get too dark, okay? If you can't get grace browning, you could use gravy master also. Just like that. So this is the color of the gravy we're looking for, my people. We don't want it to look like ketchup, okay? We don't want it to look too red like ketchup. So this is the color we're looking for. Now I'm going to cover it, make it come to a boil. Without some more steam. Now that it's boiling, I'm gonna turn it off and blend it out, okay? Okay, my people, now I'm going to blend it out till it comes smooth. Here you have it, my people. See, blend out smooth. Now I'm going to put it back on the stove to simmer down, okay? See, nice and thick. Now I'm just gonna leave it to simmer for 20 minutes. I'm not going to cover it for it to spring no water because I want it to keep the same body it have, okay? See it? Nice and thick. Okay, my people, here you have it. Fried chicken gravy. Ready? Now I'm going to turn off the stove. Yeah, it smells so good. So guess what happened? The fried chicken video coming up next, okay? So please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more recipe to share with you. See you in the fried chicken video. Yeah, man. Peace out.